This question, it's given a motorcycle is moving at 30 meter per second when the rider applies the brake, giving the motorcycle a constant deceleration. During the 3-second interval immediately after braking begins, the speed decreases to 15 meter per second. What distance does the motorcycle travel from the instant braking begins until the motorcycle finally stops? Okay, so this question, we need to find out uh, the acceleration, the time taken from the moment the brake has been applied till the moment the bike finally stops, that time, and with the help of that time we can find out the distance the motorcycle will travel. So let me write down what all things that has been given to us. So given that initial velocity, which is u, it's 30 meter per second, right? And the time that has been given to us, t, let's write it as t dash, it's 3 second. And the speed, the decreased speed is, write it as v dash, is 15 meter per second. So using all these three things we can find out the acceleration, which will be in constant in nature. So this acceleration will be v dash minus u upon t dash, which we can write it as 15 minus 30 upon 3, which will give us a value of minus 15 upon 3, that is minus 5 meter per second square. Now it says that the motorcycle, after applying of the brakes, it will stop finally. So the final velocity will be 0, the initial velocity will be same, 30 meter per second, time we need to find out, and acceleration value we has just found out, which is minus 5 meter per second square. So from here we can write a equal to vf minus u upon t, and t equal to vf minus u upon a. So t equal to 0 minus 30 upon a as minus 5, which will give us a value of 6 seconds. Now we need to find out the distance. The distance does the motorcycle travel from the instant braking begins until the motorcycle stops. So the distance we can write as equal to ut plus half at square. Here the initial velocity is 30 upon time as 6 plus half into acceleration is minus 5 upon t square, which is 6 square. We can write it as 180 upon minus 5. So this will give us which will be 90 meter. So this will be our final answer.